of that thing. It's not on any manifest.
Confirming visual. Get me a recon sweep pattern, let's see what we find.
Command, extensive flooding in the lower levels. This has been submerged for years.
How is recovery possible with this corrosion?
We need a full structural assessment before towing.
All units, stabilize the forward rigging. The hull integrity on the Warrior ship looks compromised. Move quickly.
Long-range radar detecting debris field at 20 miles.
Acknowledged. Keep monitoring.
Crane, easy on the tension. Deck crew, report secure status on the forward starboard cable. Bridge, this is deck control. Cranes 1 and 2 are aligned and ready for deployment.
Roger that. Deck control. Maintain position and await further orders.
Orion actual, we are in position above the target. Requesting permission to deploy.
Roger that, Orion. Clear to engage. Watch your downwash.
All units, radar detecting debris field at 20 miles.
Tension cable to
Acknowledged.
maximum
Keep
threshold.
monitoring.
Begin forward movement on my mark. All units, maintain course 090. We are entering the coastal zone.
Acknowledged. Keep
Roger
monitoring.
that, Falcon Flight. We have you on radar.
Crane team, move to position Alpha.
At 20 miles.
Zulu Fleet,
Acknowledged.
secure the tow
Keep
lines.
monitoring.
Mission accomplished.
The corrosion here is worse than anticipated. We need to reinforce this
Acknowledged.
entire
Keep
section.
monitoring.
According to the schematic, the primary weapon mounts are also compromised.
Clear the drop
Radar
zone, moving the
detecting
section
debris
now.
field at 20 miles.
Acknowledged. Keep monitoring.
Confirmed, all clear. Lower it steady.
Clear the drop
bring it down
zone,
slowly,
moving the
watch the
section now.
starboard side.
20 miles.
Acknowledged.
Copy
Keep
that,
monitoring.
easy now.
Confirmed, all clear. Lower it steady.
Watch out! Get clear!
Look at the damage. This is a disaster.
All right, easy now. Take it up 20 feet and hold it there. Watch the starboard side.
Clear the platform on the left.
Heads up below.
All right, coming down. Watch the rotation on the starboard side. Clear on this end, keep it steady. More power on the grinder.
Watch the grinder on the left.
Okay, moving the support beam now. Clear. Keep it coming down. We need a little to the left. All right, it's seated. Start the welding. Easy now. Keep that segment steady.
The final supports are in place, Jeffe. We are nearly complete.
Ensure the pressure holds on that seam.
Crane, steady as she goes. We're almost secure.
Module Gamma 12 is secure. Begin hydro sequence.
Sequence initiated. Pressure stable.
We need to verify the alignment of cylinder 7.
The readings on the tablet look correct, but let's double check the piston seating.
Alignment looks good. Bring her down 5 meters.
Copy, 5 meters down. Adjusting tension on line 2.
Bring it down easy. Watch the clearance. Clear on this side.
Radar sweep is active. All systems nominal.
Lower the stabilizer to Bay Gamma.
Confirmed. Lowering now. Watch the clearance on level 4. We're clear on this section. Keep moving forward with the green.
Radar sweep is active. All systems nominal.
Bring it down easy.
Missile array diagnostics complete. All systems green.
Radar sweep is active. All systems for activation sequence.
Sector 4.
Missile array
Initiating sprinkler
diagnostics
test.
complete.
Confirm
All
pressure
systems
levels.
green.
Affirmative.
Radar
Pressure
sweep
holding
is
steady.
active. All systems for
nominal.
activation sequence. Crane 3, lift on my marks.
Copy that. Lifting now.
The alignment looks
Missile
good.
array
Check the
diagnostics
bolts on the
complete.
lower flank.
All systems
Torque
green.
is stable, engineer.
Radar sweep is active. All systems for activation sequence.
Missile
Airflow
array
diagnostics look
diagnostics
good.
complete. All systems green.
Confirmed.
Radar
Temperature
conduit active.
regulation is
All
stable
prepared for
across all
activation
sectors.
sequence.
Watch the lift on level 3.
Copy that. Moving the scrubber now. We are increasing
Missile
pressure on
array
the starboard
diagnostics
side.
complete.
Check the
All
readings now.
systems green.
Radar sweep is
Confirmed.
active. All
Still
prepared for
showing zero
activation
leakage.
sequence.
Visual check on the port side sensors confirms alignment.
And the communication array shows no anomalies. Systems are fully active.
We are increasing
Missile
pressure
array
on the starboard
diagnostics
side.
complete.
Check the
All
readings now.
systems green.
Radar sweep is active. All
Still
systems
showing
activating
zero leakage.
sequence.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on the number plate. We need it
Radar
secured
sweep is
before the
active.
next
All
inspection.
systems nominal.
We have green across the board,
moving to phase 2.
Acknowledged.
Radar
phase
sweep is
2
active.
initiated.
All systems nominal.
Stern tug. Increase power by 5%.
Cable tension holding steady at the bow.
Sea trial complete. Full speed ahead.
We have liftoff!
Lower the payload, slow and steady. Clear on the starboard side. Locking clamp.
Bridge, combat, all systems green. Maintaining course 090.
Roger that, Bridge. Weather report still holding at Sea State 5.
त्र्यंबकम यजमहे सुगंधिम उर्वारुकमिव बंधानन। जय हिंद।